Skull here, and today we are going to be reacting to Birthday Trip 2021. My own little vlog vacation, I guess. They just introducing us in the lobby and they did a little song, dance, musical. Actually, I don't know what the musical number was. But anyway, we are just chilling right there, watching the musical performance, Mickey and Minnie. Anyway, well, that's it. Well, this is happening. We went to we got to a room. We went to a beach. We went to a private island, like I can see. Yeah, I can talk right now, but yeah, went to a private island. Oh God. We just looked around. We went to a lighthouse on the private island. And this was at sea, and I couldn't upload for 9 days. 9 whole days, no internet and stuff. We had to buy internet to at least I could play a little bit. Online? A little bit? No, I just went to Minecraft. Also, the clocks, Disney times. Oh yeah, the little dance party for somebody that's playing on my PS4 right now. You're going to see a little message that's going to happen when this all over.
Hi.
Dad.
What
the? Why would you say that? You're going to see a message. You're welcome, Andy. Because of somebody. Yeah. Now done to the cruise. Now, Animal Kingdom. These are giraffes. Avatar? Disney's Avatar. I don't remember that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Skull Killer, Wash, game over. Bye.